Morning, guys! Merong gasin pa ako. I'm doing my 15 minutes cleaning para nakakagana ng kilos. Today, this morning, hindi ako masyadong... Tinatamad ako this morning. But I always try to get up and then do 15 minutes cleaning. Malaking tulong siya. 15 minutes lang. Naman parang isang part nga lang ng bahay yung vacuum ko. And medyo, I can't wait to wash the dishes na. Wow, kalong talaga totoo. Medyo ano na ako, energized. Ayun. And this one's needed to be fed. So, wala tayong choice. Thank you, babe. Okay. I'll do it. But this one, ayaw bumaba. Kalong lang ng kalong. Love you. Love you, kulit. Play muna kayo dito. Uy, guys. Today's going to be a fun day. Kasi, darating yung ating fridge today! Huh? I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
Excited din daw siya. Today is an exciting day, isn't it, AA? Woohoo! Look, show them you're walking na. Oh, kita nyo yan, guys? Pa-practice na mag-walk.
I'm so proud of you.
AA, our fridge is coming today. Woohoo! Hala, mag-alas 11 na pala, guys. Tingnan mo. Anong oras late na kasi ako nagising? Nagising ako ng 8 o'clock. 7:48. Exactly. Yung gising ko. Kaya sabi ko, teka lang, bakit gising na yung mga bata? Kasi narinig ko si Lily nasa, kinakausap na niya si Aiden. And then nasa crib sila pareho, nasa kot sila.
Look what it starts.
I know, baby.
Tonight.
Woohoo! Maglilinis ako pala ng room ni Ate Lily today. Ang aking linisin room for today is Lily's room, kahapon kitchen. No, Ate Lily and Aiden's room. We're gonna clean it. Pero parang feeling ko kailangan ko talaga ng mga box organizers para sa ating sa room nila. Lagay ng mga toys, ng books, mga hair products ni Lily, and hair brushes, hair ties, mga ganyan. Kailangan ko talaga ng organizers. And yung mga closet nila, i-organize din natin very soon. Pero wala pa akong time magpunta ng IKEA. Ayoko kasi umalis today. Bukas na lang siguro. Try natin tomorrow. Or antay na natin sahod pala. Huwag na muna pala. Antay natin sumahod para, kasi nagamit ko pala yung ating household fund para sa ating fridge. So, ganon. Sinili ka, tatapos lang may maligo. Nagbubrush siya ng teeth niya ngayon. And I have coloring chorva dyan para may pagkabisihan siya while I'm doing the dishes. Or Aiden's bottles, mostly. Parang kailangan ko ng patuluan ng kanyang bottles para mas, parang kulang yung bote. Tama. Ang tagal niyang matuyo dito sa ganito lang. May mga, kasi to, may mga parang pockets. May mga parts na naiipunan ng tubig. Ang tagal niya matuyo kapag doon ko nilalagay. So I think I need the proper drying rack for that. Okay. I put it in your room, baby. Ang excited ang tulong yung ating, prep. Tapos makakabili na ako ng vegetable dumplings na hindi ko kailangan madaling ubusin. Kasi diba malaki yung bag nun? Tapos laging pag bumibili ako, kailangan kong madaliin. Kasi talagang, siguro pag kumain ako, may mga nasa 10 dumplings every lutuan. Tapos kinabukasan, kailangan magluto ulit ako. Kailangan makain ko ulit siya. Kasi masisira, sayang. Ganon. So, dumplings talaga ako na-excited. And then also, pag nagluto ako ng ulam, pwede ko na siyang i-ref. Kakasya na siya sa ref. Kasi mawala yung ilado. Checkin ko pa yan, baka mamaya pa na. Although, kiniluto ko kasi siya kahapon ng pangali, hindi ko siya mailagay sa ref. Makakapagluto tayo ng marami. Tapos kailangan din natin pots ng malalaki. So I'm really, I'm going all in talaga sa mga gamit. Hindi naman talaga as in. Yung mga kailangan lang talaga namin malaking pots. Kasi after this year, medyo magtatagal dito si Daddy Phil na kasama natin. Mga 2 to 3 months natin siyang kasama. So, excited ako for that. Pag umuwi siya kasi this time, medyo saglit lang, babalik ulit din siya agad sa trabaho. Parang kailangan lang niya ng time para maghuminga-hinga at magpahinga. Then, balik na ulit siya sa pagtatrabaho niya. That's a lot of snow.
A lot of snow.
Someone is awake. AA is awake. Saktong-sakto edit ako, guys. I'm going to upload it now. Sana tonight we can edit again, no? One more pa, anak, para wala tayong problema tomorrow. Okay, upload natin to. That way we have vlog today. Yay! We got vlog today. Thank you for watching, guys.
Which fridge do we have?
You excited? It's here. It's here.
I'm
Ito na yung ating fridge, guys.
Yes.
Woot woot! Give me a woot woot.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What's the color?
Okay.
Cute.
See? It's not too big. It's just good enough. It's here. It's here. It's here. Guys, we've got our fridge na. It's here. Ganyan lang siya. Hindi siya super laki. And I think kasing height ko lang siya kapag with my bun. We have to wait for it. We have to turn it off for like 1 hour muna bago doon natin siya i-on later. So, good thing I haven't taken out pa yung mga laman ng yung fridge namin sa baba, yung freezer. Yeah, kasi kukunin na yan ng engineer nila. Ayan, pinaon ko na kanina, ay pinaon na rin na surol kanina to check if gumagana para daw sigurado. Baka daw. Kasi pag hindi mo daw ni-request sa kanila, hindi nila i-unpack dito. Yay!
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
it would turn on later.
Yeah. Tama naman, di ba? Narito naka-face yung yung ating fridge. Or dapat pa nakaganyan. Para dito yung, maglalagay ako dito ng, sana magnetic siya. Para makapaglagay tayo dito ng spices, yung ganyan. Pero feeling ko hindi. Parang hindi siya gano'n. Yay! Sanitize lang natin siya ng punas. Yay! Ah! Good afternoon, guys. It's now 6 o'clock. Ini-strip down ko lang yung mga mga pandikit, mga protector nung fridge.
Look what I got.
Saktong-sakto, wala akong masyadong pinamili pa. Kasi nga, in-expect ko to yung ref. So, ang laman lang ng ref natin, 2 lutuan na pork belly, and then, zingers. We also got wine kung wala ng pork. I will need this later. Stress ako ng light. Butter, cheese, more cheese. Some hot dogs at saka longganisa. Tapos may frozen pa ba? Yun lang yung frozen natin. Sa mayo and button mushroom. Ayan. Konting-konting garlic sa Yakult at saka yung Nutella na bigay ni Ems. Yan lang yung naman ng ref natin. Diba?
A few minutes later.
Problem sa ating ref, dahil dyan siya nakalagay, pag nagbukas si Aiden or kami kasi dito nakalagay yung basurahan, tatama to dito, yung hawakan niya ganyan. Hindi niya matalas. So, iniisip ko baka madent. So, paano? Hindi ko alam kung if iharap ko siyang gano'n. Pag hinarap ko naman gano'n, parang awkward naman. Pero pipiliin mo, awkward or sira yung ref. Diba, Charo? Tingnan natin kung kaya na pag gano'n. Ayun, hindi siya masyado. Unless i-push mo siya talaga ng bongga. Kasi ano siya eh, mas malapad pa ganito compare sa pa ganon. So, hindi siya masyadong tama. Hindi. Kasi ito parang medyo rubbery yung gilid. So, ganyan na lang siguro natin siya. Batayaan na muna siguro natin siyang ganyan, no? Nanak. Ganyan na lang. Ang weird. Ang awkward tuloy ng ref doon. Parang it's out of place. What should we do? Huh? We'll ask Daddy later, no? Opo. Pwede sana doon yung ref, oh. Pwede doon or dito. Kaya lang, ang layo naman sa kusina. Yaan na muna natin siya dyan. Madali na lang iikot-ikot yan pag hindi talaga okay. No? Kaysa madent or masira yung ref. Okay.
We both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till January. I lost control when you call me baby. If we go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes. I'm the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. It's the memory foam. I remember it all now. I don't know why I made you the good guy. I should go outside, let my feelings subside, so I won't be sad in my mind all the time.
Whining. So yeah, since Lily's done with her milk, we're going to head into... Wait, let's make sure now we close our windows. Can you close that window, baby?
We locked it.
I can do it. I'll lock. Just shut it. Alright, you guys ready for bed?
Yes.
Let's go to bed now.
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Yeah, let's go. Bedtime routine. Okay. Read a book. We've got a new book that we're reading. It's called
Mommy, I love you.
Mommy, I love you, diba? Mommy talaga. Mommy, I love you. You gently purr as I snuggle into your soft fur. Mommy, I love you. I sleep while you swim. You hold me tight so I don't fall in. The end. It's not the end, Daddy. Mommy, I love you. You carry me with ease as we hang in the jungle trees. Mommy, I love you. You kiss my nose and keep me warm when it snows. Mommy, I love you. You give the best cuddles. We love to splash in muddy puddles. Mommy, I love you. We play safely near a river. Mommy, I love you. You're gentle and kind. You swim gracefully as I splash behind. Mommy, I love you. Lily's turn. The last one.
You're so strong. You keep me safe all night long.
All night long. Good job. The end. So, matutulog na ako, guys. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Sana tomorrow is a better day. So, yeah. Good night. Night-night.
Bye. It's right. Bye-bye. Smile.